Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So in this video I want to show you live on how to draw your STBL from your STBL dashboard or account to a trust wallet, or even if you are using Metamask, the procedure is the same. So stay tuned, watch the video until the end. For those people who have not joined STBL, you can still go ahead and join. You can see we still have some 3 days 5 hours to go. That is distribution window closes in, so they will stop distributing claimed STBL coin in 3 days 5 hours. So that is why I think it's so important to show you guys, because I think you really need this, because some of you inboxed me to ask me how do we do withdrawal, and I did show you guys in that particular video, but let me just show you while doing it myself. Okay, I think that will be easier to understand. So if you're new on my channel or this is the first time you're watching my video, my name is Cynthia. You are all welcome. And if you haven't subscribed until now, or this is the first time you're watching my video or coming across my channel, kindly consider subscribing for future videos. And again, like the video, and also if you have any question you can comment. And remember, we have WhatsApp group where I give out updates or more information, so you can join as well. And I'm going to put the link to STBL too on the description of the video. So these 3 days remaining, you can make a change. Like if you haven't started, you can as well claim the free token, because after this they're gonna list it. Okay, after this they're gonna list it. So if you're interested, you can still make it, because they give check-in rewards. This is another way of earning. They give check-in rewards after every 1 hour. Okay, so they give you 100 STBL every 1 hour. Okay, and also you can also, if you know to invite friends, or maybe you can share with your friends or even your family members, they also get this coin for free. Guys, I know the interest, like I know the sweetness of getting these tokens for free, because I've tested, not even once, not even 5 times, but several times. It is sweet. If you grab something for free, then when they list it, you sell it. That is why I tell people, anytime you see any opportunity, grab it. Grab it, because most of them they are free in the early stage, then later they will charge for it. So if you are new, you haven't started, you can still start for these 3 days remaining. Make sure you claim reward after every 1 hour, if you know that you cannot refer or invite. Okay, that is the only thing that can make you, at least by the end of these 3 days, you have even 1,000 STBL. Excuse you, mama. Okay, so make sure you join us. You just copy your link like that, then you share with your friends. Okay, you can see my nodes, and so this, guys, this time counting right here, it means that they will stop distributing in the next 3 hours 5 hours. That's 38 minutes according to this time I'm recording this video. Okay, so what else do you want to know? So I'm going right now. I want you guys to see what I'm doing exactly. You should apply the same thing. Mama, you stop pinching your mother. You should be applying the same procedure. Okay, so I'm going to do step-by-step tutorial, like everything that I'm going to do, just copy it. Whether you're using Trust Wallet or Metamask, they're all the same. Okay, the procedure is the same thing. Okay, so let us go to my Binance account. I've already bought, I didn't buy, but I had some USDC, so I exchanged one USDC, which is $1, to BNB, because we only need 0.00305. that is 32 cents. Last time we checked, it was 32 cents in dollars, so it's something we can all afford. Okay, so let us go to my Binance and show something. Let us go to my Binance first. Okay, here is my Binance. So let us log into my account, my Binance. I know I don't have much in here for now, but what I want to show you will work with the little that is in there. Okay, so we go to spot. That is where the BNB I'm talking about is. So I've already exchanged or converted. So I have some $1 or one USDT BNB worth of BNB. You can see it right here, right? So I've confirmed that even while withdrawing $1 USDT, I mean BNB, the least amount is the same 32 or 0.00 BNB. So we're gonna go to my trust wallet. Already I have it. So make sure you have some BNB, at least $1. Okay, even $1 is enough. Okay, we're gonna transfer this $1 to our trust wallet. If you're using Metamask, you can transfer it to Metamask. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to go to trust wallet and copy our BC wallet, that is Binance chain wallet. Okay, so we're gonna go to trust wallet. Where's my trust wallet? Trust wallet, yeah, it is. So the same procedure can be applied on the Metamask. Is you taking our brush? It's taking our brush. So we are on Binance already. So you can see the minimal amount we can withdraw is 0.005. That's the same amount they want us with. It is 32 cents. It is 0.32 in US dollar or USDT. Okay, so this is available. I have 0.0.1. So it is, I can still withdraw it. So let us click on the amount here. I'm going to put the zero. I'm going to click on the maximum here so that they can just withdraw everything. Okay. Guys, you can see in here already we have our network as BEP20 because we are using BNB smart chain as we were instructed. Then we're gonna use our addresses right there. So I'm gonna withdraw this amount, and okay, this doesn't matter, but that is where my BNB is. So I'm gonna click on confirm. Okay, you see I've okay, almost done with the process. So withdrawal processing is 0.0717. So I'm gonna click on view history. Let us, yeah, this is BNB view history. It is still processing. So process is 1 to 1, so it is still 0 to 1. Okay, so we have to keep on refreshing. It is, you can see BNB, it is successful, completed 1 minute, like not even 1 minute, it's just a second. So we're gonna go back to my trust wallet, right? Let's go back to my trust wallet to check if it has been received. So guys, let us go back to refresh our account and see what we have. So guys, you can see on my screen I was having 11 cents, right? Right now I'm having 1.18. So guys, like, do what I've done. Like, don't skip anything. The same thing you apply on Metamask, I mean, because I know there are some of you are using Metamask or any other account. We have many of them. So you can see I'm having $1.14. Okay, that is I have $1.14. Okay, that is 0.00. Remember I had some 0.08 dollar BNB. Interesting, girl. So right here, because I have this BNB, so let us go to my STBL account and click on withdraw to see what they'll tell us, because they were telling us that we cannot withdraw because I was having less than what is required. They wanted 0.005, and we did the research and found out that 0.005 is equal to 32 cents in dollars. Okay, so in the next time, you see the way I'm claiming this thing and I'm waiting for it, and you can see what amount I have already is 23,850 STBL. So you can see I have so you scroll down here, it is written reward distribution, execute claim. 23,000. So this is amount I can claim. Okay, so I'm gonna click on execute claim. Oh, this baby hurt my neck. So let us wait. Oh, network failed due to network issue. Okay, let's try again. If my network is poor, then I'll have to wait. Okay, guys, you can see successfully transferred. So let us refresh our account. You can see network threshold 2000 STBL required. Oh, so this one is for network. So they have deducted some fee of 2000 STBL required. Or this is amount someone can transfer. But I thought they said 500. Let us see. Let us see what has been put in my account. Okay, let us refresh first to see how much I'm remaining with. Guys, I'm seeing I'm doing all these things with you. Ouch, I'm hurting. I'm doing these things with you guys because I want you guys to know something. And you can see it is distributed. I'm now having claimable is 00 until I start earning again. I hope I'm so clear, guys. You can see even this side, I have 00. Until I have something in my wallet is when they'll turn it to blue. So let us go back to my account, that is Trust Wallet, to see if I've got any or not. Ouch. You can see on my account, they never took, like, they don't take anything, they don't take any money. Like everything is the way it was. Like, why they want you to have at least is for the gas fee, and again at least I don't know, but they don't deduct anything. You see, everything is the way it was. So for you to see your coin, okay, listen to me. For you to see your coin, remember, STBL coin is yet to be listed. STBL coin is yet to be listed. They want to list it immediately. They stop the distribution. After that, they will announce the listing date to various exchanges. That is why they send it to our wallets, so we will be able to swap it or sell it to any, like sell it or even to swap it into any coin. But don't worry, guys, I will be updating you in case there is any update. And also join their Twitter and channel, Twitter and Telegram channel, so that you'll be getting updates. Okay, so go to your manage crypto. You have it here. You had it, right? Because already you